Good evening and welcome to the Business Day. I am Vashan Brown. Supreme Ventures is defending the value of its company amid a recent decline in its share price on the Jamaica Stock Exchange. President and the CEO of the company, Ann Dawn Young Sang, made her case at Mayberry's Investors Forum recently. Here's Andrew Lately.
Since the start of the year, Supreme Ventures stock has dipped by about 7%, making SVL shareholders worried. President and CEO of Supreme Ventures, Ann Dawn Young Sang, had little to say about what was causing the decline when confronted by shareholders.
Your stock seems to be down about 16% since January 15th or so. And I think today it closed at, what, 21.84, something like that. But I'm thinking with your recent acquisition of Champion and then your announcement of your planned interim dividend, why do you suppose that is? It has even gone up a little bit.
Well, it's hard for me to speculate as to why that is so. I can't speak to that. I am hoping, especially after this, we'll see a different renewed energy. I don't know if it has anything to do with any rumor, but I'm sure that we'll see a recovery and we'll see it rebound.
That's when the chairman of the company, Gary Peart, stepped in, offering this explanation.
What has happened to the Supreme stock is no different than what has happened to stocks right across the market. And one of the things that we've seen is that there are a lot of investors nowadays that every time you announce a new IPO, they sell existing shares to position for the new IPO. And as you'd have realized over the last couple of months, there have been several IPOs, and there's a very large IPO in the market right now. And that we've seen even some of the most liquid blue chip stocks.
The chairman also had this warning for new investors who might not have done their due diligence.
One of the things that investors will start to find out is that sometimes some of those same shares that you're selling might actually offer more value than the shares that you're trying to get into.
Supreme Ventures is yet to recover the losses it has racked up since it acquired Caymanstrack from the government in 2017. Those losses have totaled about $500 million. At the end of trading today, Supreme Ventures stock was up by 2%, selling for $23.49. Andrew Lately, TVJ News.
Now, currency trading ended today with the US dollar selling for $139.01. The Canadian dollar sold for $104.58. The pound closed the day at $179.81, while the euro is going for $151.33. In today's trading session, the JC index advanced by 171 points, while the junior market index declined by 4 points. The main winners were Epley, Blue Power, Salada Foods, Mayberry Investments, and Main Event Entertainment Group. The losers included Sterling Investments, Everything Fresh, First Rock, Siboney, and Express Catering. And that's the Business Day. I'm Vashan Brown. Good evening.